Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Wadja Fadhlika and my NPM 231104009 and I am from E-class. And today I'm going to present my reflection titled The Role of Semantics in Education. In this short presentation, I'll explain what semantics is, why it is important in education, and how it can be applied in language teaching. Let's begin with the introduction. Language is not only a means of communication, but also a reflection of our thoughts, emotion, and culture. One important branch of linguistics that focuses on meaning is semantics. Semantics studies how words, phrases, and sentences express meaning in different contexts. In the field of education, especially in language teaching, semantics help teachers and students interpret messages accurately and express ideas clearly. Understanding semantics means understanding how meaning works, how one word can change depending on situation or intention. So, this reflection focuses on the importance of semantics in teaching and how can improve student understanding, vocabulary, and communication skill. So next we move. Why is semantics important in education? Sometimes misunderstanding in class happens not because students don't know grammar, but because they misunderstand the meaning. For example, a student might confuse hear and listen. Both are correct words, but their meanings and use are different. If teacher understand concepts such as ambiguity, synonym, and context, they can explain language more clearly. Teachers with good semantic awareness can also design meaning-based lessons. Lessons that go beyond memorizing forms. This helps students think critically and about how language works and understand not just what words mean, but why they mean that way. Let's look at how semantics can be applied in the classroom. There are four particular ways. The first, context-based vocabulary. The second, discourse or reading analysis. The third, writing and translation. The fourth, semantic mapping. The first, context-based vocabulary learning. Teachers can teach new words through short stories, example, or situation. This helps students learn how words change meaning in different contexts. Second, discourse or reading analysis. Students can analyze how word choice affect meaning in a paragraph or text. For example, compare words like argument, discussion, and debate help them understand tone and intention. Third, writing and translation. When translating or writing essay, students apply semantic equivalence to choose words that express the same meaning and emotion. The fourth, semantic mapping. Teachers can ask students to make maps to connect related words. This helps them remember vocabulary and understand words relationship visually. Through these methods, language learning becomes meaning centers, not just memorization based. Students learn to think and communicate more effectively. So I like to share my personal reflection. reflection. Before studying semantics, I thought word always had one fixed meaning, but now I realize that meaning is flexible. It depends on context, speaker intention, and even culture. For example, the word home does not only mean a physical house. It carries emotional meaning too, like comfort and belonging. Understanding this made me more aware, careful when I communicate with others, people. As a future English teacher, I plan to integrate semantic into my teaching. By teaching students about collocation and connotation, they can use language more naturally, and I also believe that semantic help develop empathy when students understand that meaning can differ between cultures or people. They they become better communication. And last, to conclude, semantic plays a vital role in education, especially in language learning. It helps teacher and student interpret meaning correctly, avoid misunderstanding, and use language more effectively. When applied in class, semantic principles make learning more interactive and reflective. In short, studying semantics does not just improve language skill, it helps us understand people, idea, and culture through meaning. Okay, guys, maybe I think enough. That's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention. And as I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.